So, you want to know how to remove the background off of pictures, like make them transparent or PNG as they say. You want to remove the background off of this picture and then next have it look like this. I'm going to show you that in this video. Make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe for more tips and tricks how to get better quality or better content for your videos or streams. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and you have all that here. Alright, so we're back like we never left. Alright, so first go to Google, type any picture, and then right beside it put PNG or transparent. Make sure you do that. For now, I typed in Levi since Attack on Titan is popular right now. I just choose anything that came to mind. But you see I put Levi, which is a character from Attack on Titan. Levi, then PNG. Alright, let's go to images. See, what's a good picture? Ooh. Yo, I'm at the, hold up. Alright, so like this right here, you right click your mouse, save images, and then you go to this website right here, Removebg, which I'm gonna put a link in the description below. What the heck was that? Anyways, I'm gonna put a link in the description below. So it's called Removebg. Upload the picture that you saved that you got from Google, the PNG file. Make sure you select it right here. And this website, it'll remove the background easily. See right here? Watch. Give it a minute. There we go. Then you download it. I'm gonna show you that it works too. Let me go to Canva. I go to this website to make like any thumbnails or anything. Canva, it's free. If you know how to use it, you can be really good at making thumbnails. It's all free. That magic word, free. I'm about to create something. I'm gonna show you how to make a thumbnail like another video sometime. But this is something quick. How to remove the background. But see. Like this, the background's gone. You see that? The background's gone. But hold up, I'm gonna show you it like a little sneak peek. See, I'm gonna make something quick that I'll prove it to y'all that this works. The PNG, it will remove the background. See, I'll make something quick. See, put the blur on this. See, like that. See? The background's gone. This ain't a thumbnail or anything, just something quick. But it look kinda nice, I ain't gonna hold you. But yeah, this method works. Let me know if that method helped you in any way. If you got any questions, let me know in the comments below. I hope this method helped you. I mean, it's pretty easy, pretty simple, but I'll leave a link in the description below for the website. But y'all go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more content that will help you, like with content creating, streams, videos, editing, anything. For simple tips, I say simple. Come to the channel, subscribe to the channel for more content for that. And I hope y'all have a good rest of y'all day, alright? We out.